In this video, I would like to explain what means a white candle on the chart and what means a black candle. First of all, if you have not reached this step of trading, that means you have not downloaded the MetaTrader 4 platform, which currently I'm using. You can see that I'm also using Blueberry Markets broker. So if you would like also to have the same broker as I have, feel free to check the description. Inside you will find the link for the broker. When you are ready with the MetaTrader 4, if you have not, also check the link below in the description, so you can also download the free MT4 and then open the trading account. You can have also a demo account, so you can also make the tests like I'm currently doing. After you have opened MetaTrader 4, when you open, for example, the symbols, and the symbols are located inside the market watch window, you can find that here on the left side. If you do not see this market watch window, you can also check here inside the quick access toolbar, this green arrow and the red arrow, which will be a button for activating or deactivating this market watch. Inside the market watch, you have all the symbols that are currently available. And if you do not see all of these, you can also simply click the right mouse button anywhere here inside the market watch window and click show all. When you click show all the symbols that are currently available with the broker that you are currently using will be listed here. So for example, I have gold against US dollar. It is XAUUSD. It is the symbol for the gold. So when I click on the right mouse button on that symbol, I have more options. I will click the chart window. When I click the chart window, this is what I get. I get the green lines, vertical lines, that shows me how the price is currently behaving. And you can see here that 2755.64 is the last price, and you can see how that's changed. So if you would like to have the same appearance and also the colors that I'm currently using, you can go here on that chart, right mouse button anywhere on the chart, click here properties, and select here the color scheme inside the properties. Click black and white, click OK, and then you will have a white background with black vertical lines. Next step is to remove the grid. Again, click the right mouse button, remove the grid. Then you can use here quick access toolbar to change the chart to the candlestick chart. Currently you are inside the bar chart. So when you click on the candlestick chart, you will see that changes will appear here on the chart. When you zoom in a little bit, let's click the zoom in, and you can see here you have the same candles as I have here inside my chart. Then you have here horizontal lines, which are support and resistance lines. Currently I will not show you that, but this video is meant to explain what these candlesticks means. What means a white candle, what means a black candle. Here inside the quick access toolbar, you have several time frames, which means currently I am on 1 hour. So when you hover your mouse over these buttons, you can see that it shows you what each of these means. Then here in the side, the left upper corner, you have a symbol which is gold on the 1 hour time frame. When I click on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that it changed. Then you have 4 prices here listed, which represents the open, close, high and low price. So when you go here, for example, let's check this one here, which is currently closed. This is a candle that has been closed in the previous hour. So each candle represents a time frame, and that time frame is defined by these buttons here. Currently I am on a 1 hour time frame, which means each candle represents 1 hour. If I click here to the 4 hour time frame, you'll see that the chart changes, and you can see these candles are different currently. Before we had here moving sideways, and currently we do not have this moving sideways, because each of these candles has 4 hour time frame, which means inside this one candle we have 4 candles by 1 hour. So let's take for example, in this candle here, which is from, you can see that when I hover over this candlestick, it says that it is time from 1 hour. And currently at my side, it is currently, just a minute, 6:50. So in the last 4 hours, we can see that in the last 4 hours, and that means starting from here, which is from the 5 o'clock, we can see that this 4 candles are represented inside this one candle. So when you hover over this candle, you will see that you have open, high, low, and close price. And that 4 prices defines this candle. Let me show you. When you have a white candle, that means, and you have, for example, let's take 1 hour time frame, it will be easier to understand. In the last 1 hour, not the currently hour that it is currently active, in the previous hour, we had 4 prices. The open price was at 2750 and the close price was at 2752. Now you can see that the close price is 2752, which is higher than it is 2750. So this candle have 4 characteristics. First of all, it is the open price, which starts from here, and the close price that ends here. The high price is here and the low price here. What that means? When 1 hour starts, and that means, let's take a look, this was at 6 in the morning. So when the 6 in the morning starts, that means, it starts from 5 to the 6, that is the 6 hour candle. When it starts in the morning from the 5 hour, this is the open price when the 1 hour started. After that, the price is jumping up and down, and it has reached this maximum level, which is the high price, and then it has reached also the low price. And after that, when this hour has been ended, and that means 5:59, the close price was here, and that means 2752.09. So you can see this is candle with a white body, which means the price has risen from 1 hour until the hour has closed, and the lowest price was here and the highest price was here. If we go and see the black candle, that means we have the open price here and the close price is here, which means the 1 hour has started here, and after 1 hour the price has gone down, has lost its value. That's why we have a black candle. You can also use any other colors, but for me it is easier to understand that the white is good, that means going up, the black is bad, it is going down. So it is easier to also recognize where is the price is heading. When I see the black candle, that means the open price was higher than the close price. And you can see that highest the price of this candle was here, and the lowest price was almost very close to the close price here. So these are the 4 characteristics of each of these candles, which is defined by the time frame. We are currently on the 1 hour time frame, so each candle here represents 1 hour. It is same analogy, for example, for the daily time frame. When I click on the daily, that means this candle from the yesterday is when the hour has started at the midnight and it has closed at 23:59. So the open price was here. This was the start of the day. This was close of the day, which is the close price. And during that day, the price is jumping up and down, and it has reached the highest price here, which is the end of this small wick. This line is called a wick. And on the lower side, we can see that the lowest price level where the price has gone is this one here, around 2702. If we hover over this candle here at the close price, you will see what are the open, high, low, and close price. Currently, we can see that this day has been still on, which means this day is still running, and we here have all these price levels. We can see that 2744.47, and we go here to the candle, could do the current price. We can see that 2744.47 is the open price. We can see that 2758.33 is the highest price. Then we have 2741.89, which is the low price, and the close is still active because this day has not ended. So I hope this is more clear right now to understand what each of these candles means, and also how to prepare the chart. Each candle represents specific time frame, open, close, high and low price. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will answer as soon as possible. Sorry. That's all for this lesson. See you on the next one. Happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.